Would you feel confident in simplifying this expression? Well, let's start off with the third pentation of 2. Remember, pentation, repeated tetration. So writing the number 2 3 times in this diagonal. How do we evaluate this? If I didn't have this 2, we would be saying tetrate this number twice. So we need to evaluate the second tetration of 2. Well, the second tetration of 2 means write this number twice as part of a power tower. It looks like this, 2 to the power of 2. Power towers go this way. 2 squared is 4. So this value here is 4. So now we're tetrating this number 4 times in that direction. 2, 2, 2, 2. To evaluate this power tower, I can't do 2 squared because I need to do 2 squared, but then I need to do 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. So we get 2 to the power of 2. 2 squared is 4. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So this value is 2 to the power of 16, which is a really easy calculation of 65536. Let's look at the next number. The third tetration of 2. You guys are used to this now. It's a power tower of 2's 3 times. 2 squared is 4. I'm doing 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. Finally, we have 2 cubed. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And finally, we add up all of these values, which is a super easy calculation, 65560. Nice.